Om Shanti. Essence of Murli. 11th June 2025. Sweet Baba says, Sweet children, you now have to imbibe unlimited purity. To imbibe unlimited purity means to remember no one but the one Father. Question: what is the difference between your stage while you are making effort to claim your inheritance from the Father and your stage after you have attained that? Answer: in order to claim your inheritance from the Father, you make effort to renounce all bodily relations and to remember the one Father alone. When you have received your inheritance, you forget the Father. You now have to claim your inheritance, so do not forge any new relationships, otherwise, you will find it difficult to forget them. Now remember the Father alone and forget everything, and you will receive your inheritance. Song is This Time is Passing By. Essence for Dharana. First is, in order to claim your passport to heaven, have your sins absolved by having remembrance of the Father and make your stage karmatit. Make effort to save yourself from punishment. Second is, become knowledgeable and show everyone the path home. Become a living lighthouse. Let there be the land of liberation in one eye and the land of liberation in life in the other eye. Forget this land of sorrow. Blessing for today. May you have pure and positive thoughts for others and give them regard with the feeling for uplifting each soul. Details are: to have elevated feelings for each soul, that is, to have feelings for uplifting each soul and making souls progress means to be one who has pure and positive thoughts for everyone. With your pure attitude and your stage of a well-wisher, transform the defects of others. Consider the weaknesses or defects of others to be your own, and instead of speaking about them and spreading them around, to accommodate them and transform them. This is to have regard. To make a big thing small, to make disheartened souls powerful and not be colored by their company, but constantly to give them zeal and enthusiasm is to have regard. Only those who give such regard are the ones who have pure and positive thoughts for others. Slogan is, your old nature and sanskars finish the fortune you have received through renunciation. Therefore, renounce even those. Om Shanti. Avyakt signal. Practice being in the stage of soul consciousness, be introverted. Father Brahma had love for solitude and so was always introverted. He made firm the lesson of, I am a soul, due to which he himself constantly remained merged in the ocean of peace and happiness. With his pure thoughts, vibrations, attitude, words and connections, he continued to give others the experience of peace and happiness. Follow the Father in the same way.